Hi there. Namaste. This is Dr Karishma Ahuja. In this video, I'm going to give you 4 easy steps to create a powerful and empowering vision board for yourself. A vision board is also known as a dream board. It's one of the simplest but one of the most powerful ways to impress your subconscious mind with the idea of your ideal life, your dream life. It's one of the best ways to feel connected with your goals. So, let's get started. Step 1, put your goals down on paper. Put at least 10 goals that could cover different areas of your life. Put them in the present tense. Do not worry about the how. Step 2, look up for pictures and images that match these goals, that resemble these goals, that remind you of your goals. It is enough if you pick one picture for each goal that you have put down on paper. Remember, it's not about having too many pictures. It's about having pictures that make you feel good and instantly remind you of your dream life. Step 3. It's time to execute the making of the vision board. Now that we have all the pictures, it's time to make a collage out of these photos. You can stick these pictures either on a large piece of paper or cardboard if you wish to hang it in your bedroom. Or you can simply stick all these pictures in a book that you would be referring to as your vision board. Step 4. Connect with the vision board. This is perhaps the most important part of the process. The vision board is really incomplete without you connecting with this board daily. At least twice a day, once when you wake up and just before you go to bed at night. Look at this vision board. Connect with the pictures. Feel them. And as you connect with these pictures and connect with your dream and ideal life, you can simply repeat these powerful words. I deserve this. I deserve this. I deserve this. I hope you're inspired to create your own vision board. Follow this simple process and begin to manifest your desired reality. This is Dr. Karishma Ahuja wishing you all the very best. Namaste.